Delhi, Alicante, Ho Chi Minh City. Imagine being able to carry out quality control with your suppliers in one morning, as if you were in their factories. On-site inspections are currently a pipe dream, and you are constantly worrying about what's going on in your supply chain. This limitation leads you to make blind decisions and take huge risks. It could take months before you realize that a problem has affected the whole supply chain, resulting in terrible consequences for your team and the brand. Of course, you can use the classic video calling apps, but quality and definition varies greatly depending on the quality of the devices being used or the internet connection. That's why Visiòne was born, the first remote control system dedicated to quality control teams. With Visiòne, you can experience quality control as if you were there in person, because each supplier is given a GoPro to wear. Full HD 4K video. The camera is connected to our cloud-based platform, which always guarantees extensive streams of the highest quality. Both video and audio always work to their best capabilities. No compromise. The best part is that it's so easy to use. Simply choose the factory, identify the inspector, and select the order to be inspected. Choose the inspection date on the calendar and wait for your supplier to connect via our app at the scheduled time. Our team will be at your disposal for the setup of Visiòne's system and in case you need assistance. All live calls will be recorded and will remain available at all times, linked to the order that generated the call, while still respecting the highest standards of privacy and security. With Visiòne, quality control enters the future. You save money and time, and also play a role in contributing to a more sustainable future. Schedule a call now to request a free demo.